Hi everybody, I'm Artist Mark A. Foltz. Today we're going to paint the Omen, hopefully. This is a painting I called the Omen. We're going to do it with our hands and a few tools. Anyways, thanks for your time and watching. I think on the last one I used a little bit too much juicy paint, but is there such a thing? I don't know. Anyways, we'll kind of just do this. Get it started. Yeah, it's good. I can feel it already. Oh yeah, it's got a good feel to it. Okay, spread that right out as much as I can. Don't want to cover the whole canvas completely, but just give it a good starting point. Okay, there we go, good starting point. We're gonna make it more ominous here with some darker, deep colors here. Let's get some of that blue. Wait a minute, wait, not blue, I'm jumping the gun. Let's get a little yellow. A little yellow to offset this red a little bit. A bit in the corner there. Okay, there we go. Probably too much yellow, but we'll see what happens with that. I like to make it kind of fiery, so we'll get that going. Just kind of rub it real thoroughly into the canvas. Got a lot of action going on here. Action Jackson. Okay, there we go. See, we already got a nice little action going there. Okay, so now I'm going to offset it a little bit, make it more contrast. A little bit more contrast by adding a little bit of blue. Okay, that's good. It's too much blue actually, but it's okay. A little bit of dynamics there. There we go. See the dynamics I'm getting out of that? Building up that contrast by adding darker colors as we go. I'm going to offset it with a little lime here. Just a little bit. Okay, a little bit of lime goes a long way. Put your lime in the coconut, shake it all up. Okay, here we go. Okay, now I have all this convergence going into each other here. Kind of liking this movement here. Gives me that real good radical feel. I'm going to add a little bit of black to the corners. Yeah, see what that black does? It just pulls up the contrast. Yeah, I'm kind of tossing that around. Alright, we're liking that. Kind of like one of my vortexes, got a lot of energy. Okay, and I feel it needs a little bit more white to just give it more of a punch. So I'm going to add a little bit of white to it. A little bit of white to this area right here. There we go. Just a little bit. I'm going to apply that a little bit. Okay. Okay, so it's getting kind of feathery here. It's kind of where we're going to start adding water now. Now remember, I add a little bit of alcohol to my water because I want to thin up the acrylic a little bit, and I want these nice runs. Soak it good. Of course, I'm next to a light, so I don't want to blow up here, but give it a shake. We like those nice runs. It's causing a nice movement. So those little fingers of paint. Perfect. Looking good. Don't let it run too much. We don't want too runny. It's good. Looks pretty good. Let's get it turned back around now. Okay, so there we got our build up. Now we're going to try a record again. Nice 45 to 45 record here. We don't care who it is. Actually, we're going to do the big piece first. Make it here first. Set that here. I'm just going to spin it here. Get some kind of rings going on. Perfect. See that? And then I'm going to make this right about here and get a nice balance. Get a towel and just wipe out that center. Perfect. There we go. Perfect. I'm liking that. Let's do another one on this side. Wipe out that center and pull her up. There we go. Perfect balance now. Now we're going to get some masking tape. Kind of liking that. I'm going to go and get a thicker masking tape, like 3-inch. We want 3-inch masking tape here. Okay, let's put it about right here. Right there's where we want it. Remember, there's wet paint here, so that's what's going to make it adhere well. It's not going to really stick on its own, but phew, this stuff stinks. Wear a mask, people. Okay. I'm going to get another piece, masking tape here. We're going to get a little smaller piece. sticky stuff. I messed it up. This stuff is pretty industrial strong, so only use the best, people. Don't use crap. Okay. There we go. A little bit of that gold kind of showing everywhere. And we're going to get some more lines going on in there. Perfect. Perfect. Kind of liking that. Perfect. Let's get the lines going all the way through. Kind of liking that. Those lines cause a lot of energy in the painting. Let's do the same thing over here. Perfect. And then on the side here, we're going to use little V scratches instead. And I need another piece of tape over here. I'm going to use a little 1-inch piece. If I can find that in the beginning of it. Okay. There we go, a little bit of black in that area. And then we'll get a little bit of a, let's just do a little gold inside of it a little. There we go. I'm liking that. Now I'm just kind of all over the whole painting. There we go. There you have it. Hope you enjoyed that painting. The Omen.